There are so many opinions about what a stock is going to do, if it's going to go up, it's going to go down. And when you get on research and you start researching these things, well, it can get very confusing. So today I want to introduce Seeking Alpha and their rating system. It takes in three different opinions. One, the quant approach, which means it's all about numbers, it's all about moving rate of change and moving averages. Number two is the Wall Street's viewpoint, is what's Wall Street consensus on this? And number three, Seeking Alpha takes in the authors on Seeking Alpha, and it takes in their opinion. And so what you find is when you look at Apple, two of the three actually are more of a hold on Apple versus Wall Street's consensus of a buy. This is what I like about Seeking Alpha. It gives you an unbiased approach and opinion of what is going on. It gives you three different opinions on different ways to analyze and look at stocks. And so what I would suggest you do is to take the Seeking Alpha's offer of $99 for the first year subscription and the 7-day trial and give it a go and see what you think. I have left a link below, so check it out.